All right. As you can see, I got Wolfy propped up on the medical table. I mean, what are they called? What's a medical doctor? Hey, you're an actual doctor. What are they actually called? Today, me and Wolfy are going to be going on an adventure, meaning me and him are going to go on a road trip. Hence, I think you guys could see him, but he's sitting in the front seat with me, and we're going to go to see a friend's house, and they're going to help me do a little bit of work on him, as well as get to play around with him and just see what he's like. And so have fun. And so I just remembered Wolfy has to get surgery during this whole event, and I don't have the right tool, so I gotta go to the hardware store real quick, and then we can commence. So I'll see you then. Bye. All right, so basically today we're gonna be taking his shoulders apart and gonna be having some fun with it, and I don't know really, just kind of having fun with this. Let's see where it goes. In a little bit, I'll be showing you guys what my plans are with his shoulders. All right, so I got my friend here. She doesn't want to be on camera, but anyways, you see the problem going on with Wolfy? You see the warpiness in his legs? Like, look, they're like wobbly. Like, they're not straight. Like, you get what I'm saying? Do you get what I'm saying? All right, now we got Wolfy on his nice little examination table, and we're gonna go have some fun with his shoulders. All right, assistant, can you give me the drill, please? All right, thank you. I need drill bit number 2 now. It's a small. No, that's drill bit number 1, not 2, my bad. All right, here we go. All right, now I need drill bit number 2 actually now. All right. I think you can hear that scruffling. Sorry, I got a new mic going on. All right, so basically what's going on is that recently I upgraded Wolfy's shoulder joints from this bit to this bit, where it's a lot less weight, as well as it has a different servo horn on, meaning this one only has 2 points of contact, this one has essentially 5, but I'm not using the center one, I'm just using the 4 outer ones. So because of that warping, what we're going to do is we're going to take this and then this and combine them. All right, so we're going to be taking essentially this brass insert and putting them in these 4 holes, the center one in between each 3, center one in between each 3, in the same manner as I did for these 3. I'm not going to be going into great detail with the brass inserts and the difference between this servo horn and this servo horn. I'll do that in a later video. But so nothing happens to my patient over here, I'm going to keep going along. Assistant, I need, oh wait, the soldering iron right here. I need this, the battery. Can I get the cord, please? All right, thank you. Here we go. So, take it like this. 1. No. I need this as well, and this. Now, connecting it up like this. Oh, and oh yeah, I will have a link in the description of like what brass inserts these are as well. So like if you want to find them, you can get them. I love these, by the way. But, all right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Gotta put my soldering iron on. Come on, baby. Oh, wait, I gotta set it. Now, when I'm doing brass inserts, I like to have the temperature of the soldering iron relatively close to what the filament is printed at. So this is PLA, so therefore the temperature is going to be 210 Celsius. Oh, wait, give me a sec. 240, 230, 220, 210. All right, here we go. Take it. Oh, shoot. Grab a little bit of the tablecloth on that one. Put it in like this for a little bit. let it heat up, and then here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Just like that. Now, real quick, I'm gonna go through the next 3 really, really fast. So bear with me. One. A little more. 2. Is that one? All right, so what did that take, like 20 seconds or so? You know, I should enter in a marathon. But anyways, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, all right, now we get to conjoin them like this, essentially. And assistant, please, I need the screws. Thank you. I also need the smaller drill bit. Yeah, it's that one. Yeah, it's that one. Thank you. And I actually need like the squirrely one, the squirrely drill bit. All right. I know this ain't called a squirrely bit, but we're calling each thing drill bit. So I had to make something different for this one. All right. So, oh, I need the drill too. Thank you, assistant. So I need this. One, 2. These screws. Let's go ham on these, shall we? All right. So where the heck? Yeah, there we go. So now these are also going to be done very, very fast. 1. Over there. Now, I need number 3, please. Number 2. I don't know. I lost count of these things. All right. Now comes the moment of truth. We're going to take this. Oh, wait. This got to go this way. And this thing don't like it. This thing straight. What's this? Oh, I need to dial this back a little bit. Lift up the patient a little bit. There we go. I heard that click. Now, if you remember from before, I said I had to go to the hardware store so I could do some surgery. This is the piece I needed from the hardware store. You know, it's really, really clean. But anyways, so the whole reason why I need it is because what I've found with, let me prop you up better. What I've found when you 3D print holes like this, as well as brass insert, you have to make the holes a little bit bigger. And for this version of the leg, I forgot to do that before I print it. So yeah, Wolfie, this is gonna hurt. Sorry in advance. All right, now comes the next fun part, is basically fitting this new piece on like this. Assistant, please help. Take the drill bit off. Pull that, don't do that. Pull the black part first. Pull the black part right here first. No, black, where my finger, yeah, pull that. Now pull it. All right. You know, leave in the comments if you think we should become a comedy team, all right? You know, I could be Curly and she could be Mo, but now it's reattachment time. All right, 1. I got 10. And then
want to assistant number 2? I'm good on that.
All right. So basically, that's what we're gonna be doing today, and I'm gonna go do that on the second one now. All right. Now, and bottom line is what we did was a success. So successful that Wolfie, you don't need your walker no more. First of all, so let's get rid of this. That is because his structural integrity in his legs is beyond what I expected it would be with that new upgrade to his shoulder joints. So much so, let's try this out. Wolfie's gonna lay down. And now, buddy, stand up. Just like that. As you all saw, Wolfie can now get up, lay down, and including wave to all of you without having any issues. Now the next part of what I gotta do is I gotta do the same upgrade that I did in the front shoulders to the back shoulders, and then make some adjustments for the lower elbows. And then after that, we should start being able to see him walking around, doing his own thing. The testing of his movements and getting him to walk, I think that should be a later video. Thank you so much for watching. Wolfie, can you wave? Please subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, as well as if you want to see more behind the scenes of me and Wolfie, please consider following Islander Robotics on Instagram. Thank you so much.